All right. Can you hear me, right?
Yes,
Just want to check.
I can.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Matt. Okay, good. Let me just check. Yeah, everything is working fine.
My voice is fine, right?
Yeah, your voice is well.
Nice. Good.
Let me just open Discord and check this one. Let's start. Wait a minute. Where is it? Okay, that's one. Open it and close. No need for it. All right, let me share my screen. And there is no other screen, so I'll share this one and close. No need for that guy over here. Okay, let's start. Hello and welcome everyone to Developer Student Clubs Uskudar University. Today is unfortunately, it's our last session, which is complex UI. I'm I'm feel sad about I hope really we can like spend more time to eat with each other and like know each other more and do more workshop and more making more examples, but that's life. So we will see you maybe in the next event, upcoming event or upcoming stuff. And feel free to ask anything in any of our social media. And also I shared my social media account in the first two events, so you can just go and check them or just go anywhere and ask, and feel free to ask anything. So today, thanks to our member, she shared with us this design. She shared another design, but I choose this one because it's more. It will be more easier to do in the workshop. The other one, it needs more like it need more planning and thinking and all of this. Today, event type, it is in Flutter. They are calling it the boring show. Basically, the boring show is it's not something boring basically, but it might be boring for some of the members or some others. It will not be boring. I will show you every steps that I will make from opening the application until finishing the UI and test it. So that's just might be boring for some people. That's why, and also
More
like
technical encoding stuff maybe might be boring for some people. That's why it's called.
feel free to open your microphone and also talk with us,
Mm-hmm.
so it will not be boring for you. And for the guys on YouTube, feel free to join our Zoom meeting. I'm waiting for all of you. So first of all, let's start. This is first of all, I need to take that design. I will just copy it. So I will just save it in my screen. Let's just keep it like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't need the browser anymore. It's like this, okay. And now I will just, before opening Android Studio, I need first to think about that's UI. Take out the layout one by one, so I can think and plan before starting coding. So what was the application name? What should we use for that one? So one of the futures, should we use Gambauder
Mm.
to design?
What about Adobe? Is it too much?
No, I'm in Linux. There is no Adobe over here.
I'm sorry. Uh,
Wait a minute. Let me get the website. There's a website for designing. Wait a minute. Why I didn't thought about it? And design days. Good application. No. Solution challenge. And I think it was that one. Okay, let me just try to get the website. Wait a minute. Where is it? I'm checking the name.
Okay.
Do you remember the name of it?
I will say if I knew. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Wait, I will try to find it. Yeah, it's there. Marvel. How can I forget?
Marvelous.
I think it's called not this one. No.
Marvelous. Is it?
What? It's called Marvel. Not Marvel Studio. Come on.
What about Canva? Can we?
Marvel design, UI design. Let's say. Yeah, that's one. Marvel app. So let's just sign up with my email.
So here we can make UI design.
Yes, here we can just like build our UI design and like take the photo and just start to
Make
build
a
it next to our
prototype
UI.
view
So
then.
we can just understand the layout one by one. Skip for now.
And build a prototype over here, then
One
prepare the
is
code.
workshop 3. Not any platform. Let's say Pixel 4. No, not Pixel 4. We don't have Pixel 4 in emulator. Let's say just Android. Create a project. Okay. Hello. What a nice bug. Okay, create a project. No prototype. Okay, free. I know I have free plan. Thank you for sharing this information. Hello.
What is the problem?
I have no idea.
Just create an app. What happens?
I think because I had a prototype.
Tamam.
Okay. It wasn't like that before, right?
You know, I haven't used this, so I'm not sure.
No, we use it together. I remember.
Yeah, but not myself.
Okay. Anyway, it's not working well. I will just go for
Do we really need designing before doing?
Are you really saying that?
Yeah.
Just use a normal. You can use any platform that you can use. It doesn't matter for UI that much, at least for the beginning UI. So over here, if we just make zoom, let's just take this is the home page, and let's have here a card that's called home page. Yeah, this is better, man. I love this one. So now I don't need Android Studio for now. So in the home page here, this is a column. As we said in the last event we talked about the widget. So here we have a column widget, but in the same time we have two items next to each other, which is row. So if we think about it, like wait, let me just have something. I can just use the screen over here, and no need for this one. Make it big. Remove my face. So here we have two items, then we have this one over here. So this means this is a column and this is a row. So while we are building the widget tree, we need to think like how we will make it. Like if we make a column first, then we add a row inside, so the row will be a part of the column. But
Right.
if we add a row first and part of the row, so like this is the first item, or this is the first one in the row, sorry for my drawing skill, and this is the second one. So we need a row at first, just say
So
like row, and
column
let's make
is
it
the parent, row is the child. If we
what?
say column is the parent, row is the child, because it will be inside of it. Right?
Yeah, exactly. So we have here a row. Inside the row, we have a column, and also we have that one is a circle. And we last even we talk about circle avatar. So I will just say circle, circle, and circle. Yeah. So we can just basically say row. It has two child. This is the first one. This is the second one. So we
Yeah, I
finished
said
that
that.
part. Under that one, we have a search part. Um, Search is like input. You are taking input. So if we just, I know the widget, but I'm trying to show you exactly how you can just go and search on the widgets. So I think I need like, it's input. So I need Flutter, the name like input widgets, or just widget. Okay, anyway. So yeah, okay, there. So if we are looking, let's look at the first one. Yes. So here, as you can see, there is the input widgets. In Flutter, we have form field, and row key is translate. Is that a widget? It's first time. That's why.
Row keyboard listener. I haven't used it before.
Me neither. Yes, form and form field. And also, what was the other one?
Text form field, maybe.
No, I think the other one was text field.
Text field, yeah. Auto text field.
Text field widget, and okay, auto correction, and nope, nope. I need another website. Okay, just go to Dart API. So you can just read some about the widget and know more about it. So here in text field, there is example also. So I think we need that one. This is like it's almost the same. Even the same example is the same. So we have here like object test equal true, decoration, and password. But let's also check the form field, because field is like input. There is no example, right? No.
There are also YouTube videos, maybe widget of the week videos, I think.
If there was a widget of the week of it, it might show. Here's something, but form is like it's more bigger class. Like text field is more simple. Like we need that
Nice.
one. It's more easier for us. Yeah, nicer. And even yes, another code like we can just test it, run it over here. Hello, and enter or something. Thank you. Type hello. That's what we need. And is there is anything else like here? Text field is taking control blah blah focus mode. Okay, auto correction. There is auto correction, autofocus, build context, controller, console, causes radius. I think this is what we know, what we need.
Mm-hmm.
So let's just close the other and keep that open. So here, let's go back again to our page. So we have the row that it has inside column and circle, but what about the other page? Here there is no add bar, so we don't need add bar so far, but there is a bottom bar, like there is a bar in the downside. So wait a minute. So also let's just add it. Bottom bar as also as a widget that we need. Yani. And what else do we have over here? Let me just make it big. No, don't go that much. So here we have this text, then it's kind of like list of item. So we can just use less view that we talked about it last time. This is just a normal card, so there is edges, so we can use container. Here also it's list of item, which is something else. Yeah, and here the like inside that card, if we get closer, oh, what's going on? If we get inside, like the image in the background of that one, there is a shape, like there is edges, and reduce edges. Sorry, and then there is a widget over there, and there is text and subtext, which is more bigger than the first text.
Bigger font size.
Yeah. Then we are turning here to that one, which is after like press. So it just give us more information, like back sign, and there is the name, the contact, and this is a list view. This is text. This is two button, and here there is no other button, right? No, just a list. And here we have like export, and this is a calendar, ticket, setting. So I think if we just go back here, we said here pro, then it has two columns, but that one is under. So we need a bigger widget, which will contain all the widgets, the widgets that in the screen. So the bigger one, I think it should be column.
Yes.
Because here like column has inside of it row. Then this is another. Could be inside a column. Here this is another like not column. What should we say about this one?
This can be wrap or anything other. We can also change the direction. It can be scrollable. And you can use that, no problem. And for the spacing, we can use size box between them.
Okay. And here, so let's just try to wrap again. So we said, okay, we'll take this. Oh, I cannot take them right now. E. So let me remove what I made. Can I just like select it all and remove it? No. No, I can't.
Can't you?
I think no, I can't. Fuck your beard. So here we have column. Then we have a list view. We said.
Yes.
And let's also make the
builder will be better. This view builder.
Okay, dot builder. Anyway. And we have also text widgets. We need a text. So
yeah. Bunch of text widgets. So many.
Yeah. So here we need text. Yeah, text field.
Yeah, text field. Yeah. And that one most likely will be inside of a container, which we will give a shape of it.
Okay. Okay, I like it. Now we have I think we have almost all the names that we need.
Card widget, do we need, or just a container? I think just a container is enough for the.
It's nice one, yeah.
Yeah.
It will fit them. And also we need a container. Let's write container. I hope container is right.
Yeah, container is okay.
Okay. So now we have like this widgets. Let's try to put them like a puzzles. So first we have the column, which is contain all the widgets over here.
It's the body widget.
Yeah. Then we have another row. We have the row downside of it. That it has a column inside of it, and it has also a circle. After that. So finish.
We have text field. We have text field.
Where is text field widget? Yeah, we have here text field. So let's just put them here. Like so, this is like
widget tree. We are trying to make a widget tree.
It looks like widget tree, Let me try to design them in a better way. I just messed up everything, right? Okay.
It's fine.
So I said again, we have a column. Then inside the column we have
Row. Okay, you don't have to be that specific. Just make them closer. I think it will be better. Yeah.
yes, yeah. We can just do it like here.
Yes, yes.
Like
No
this way.
problem. Yeah, put it. Evet.
So we have
And to the
the
next.
column row, and the row is text field. Then we have row. Then we have inside the row we have a column
And
and
circle.
text field.
Circle.
Yeah, text field is downside. Sorry. Thank you.
No
So we have a circle. Then we have here text field under the downside of
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Then we have a text widget. Let me just
Yes.
just let me just make it small and take a copy
Because
of
we
it.
have a bunch of things widgets, that's why.
Yes. Then we have also here
List view builder.
our widget.
You can go to the right, doesn't matter. Yeah, we are just trying to show the tree.
So we have list view builder. After list view builder, this one we have another text. Then we have a container, and
Yes.
list view builder it has a bunch of containers inside of it. So let me just do it like this.
Yeah, it's fine. You don't have to specify all of them. They will see why we are writing the code.
But like just to make it more clear, we said after that we have a text widget over here. Let me just put it over here. Then under the text we have a container.
Yeah.
Just like make
And
it.
that container won't be just a container, it will be so much. We will add so many things inside of it. That's why I'm saying you don't need to specify all of it. Just fine.
Let me just make it clear, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Then another text. Where is the text one? We have another text over here, down the side of the container. Then we have that also list view. Yeah. We have that list view one. I already have it over here. Okay. Let's try it. Let's just do it page by page. After the list view, this one, list view it has a containers. Then we have the bottom bar. So list view it has another container inside of it. Then we have the bottom bar. No need for this one anymore.
Yes.
I think this is the tree.
Yeah, most likely it is.
Yeah.
And minor things we will show them. No worry.
Let's just save it as an image and put it in the desktop. Put it over there. Nice one. We can see and we can just take a look on what is going on. So let's just close it for now and do that page. Then we can just go back. And I think we need the Chrome. So like, okay, and put that down. So let's create a new Flutter project. Okay, Flutter application. And here the name of it. Workshop 3. So, do you have any question?
So we simply created a prototype of our widget tree. How can we create our app step by step? This should be useful when you are trying to create your own app. So you can use this method as well, with maybe better size.
Think like this is the UI. For example, like in the real work, you're taking the UI from the designer, and the designer should give you the details somehow, some of the details, like the height, the width, this stuff. Then you start to just implement it, think about it as a widget, because we are in Flutter, everything is a widget. So we need to think about it as a widget and start to divide it. So while you are doing your work, it will be super easy for you to just like follow the widget tree.
Just for a starter, I mean, and normally you will think of it by yourself. Yeah, of course.
What did you say?
Yeah, normally when you get used to it, you will think of them by yourself without doing this widget tree thing.
Yeah, but still, planning is something so much important, of course. Like during my project that I was making, like planning is, if you didn't make a good plan, you wouldn't be able to start the project. If you remember the project that we made, we take like 1 week designing the UI and think about how we will implement it as code, right?
I remember.
So this is important, and my Android studios want to open. I don't know, it's loading.
I will be back, Mohammed. Just a minute.
Okay, take your time. How's the guys on YouTube? Mert. Okay, done. Let me check if something need. So, Pistesu, you are the person who sent that design, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for it.
Very welcome.
It's not working like this. It loads. Okay, emulator. Let me just open also the emulator. Let's make it end later on. Okay. And, okay, loading. It's still loading. So here we can just take it all off. And by the way, if you want to look at another example for the last like simple UI, the main Flutter application, which is the counter application, let me run it. And let's see, we have Pixel form already. That's nice. Okay, our last one. I love it. So let's just run it. I want to see to show you how it works, and it's super simple. So like as we talk, like this is the build. This is stateless widget. We talk about it. Then here material application theme data. Theme data is just like you are putting your UI data. Like for example, primary color is blue. Visual design. I don't know this one. Okay, this is like then you are making your homepage and you're sending like Flutter demo homepage just as a title. Then in your homepage it's a stateful, which means there is a change in the state, or like there is something will change in the screen. Then here, let's just skip that one. So we have here scaffold. Then up we have an up bar, and there is the text. Widget.text, that means it's just taking the text that is coming from the upper widget, which is the title that we are taking it from that one. So if you want to reach like text or any field outside of our class, like in the upper class, if there is a relationship between them, we just use widget dot in lowercase. Then we have body, center, column. We have text and another text. But this first text is just like you're saying you have pushed this many times, and the another one is just a counter. $sign means I talk about the $sign. That means you're just taking the things if it's an integer or double or etc. and just making it like looks like a string. And also here the style themes, the themes of context, the text theme. So it's just taking the theme from the application, from that one, from the theme data. Then we have floating action button, which is it's a kind of like buttons that is floating in your screen. So it's not related to like your widget layout. It's just like another layout. And inside of it, we are saying empress, like increase counter, and here just it has an icon which is add, and this is how it looks. So this is the flow to action button. This is the column that it has two widgets, blah blah blah. And here this is incrementing the counter. And here set a state. This is the stateful one because of that set state. And I'm saying counter plus plus. So if I press over here, it should go to that function, and it just start to count. So this is just a text, but because of the stateful, I'm changing that text each time I press count. So that means I don't need to rebuild all my application or the UI just to increase the text. So and this is something nice in Flutter. You can just update that one, just update that text, that widget. So every time I'm just updating it. And the power of hot reload, if I just make it minus minus, which means like -1, and press hot reload, and thus it's just going down. So basically that's it. So let's just take it. Should I take it out? Or no, let me just take this one. Let me just take the second class. And no need for theme data as well. And here I need the home page, but I don't need to pass the title.
I'm back.
Welcome, and here stateless widget, which called the home page. So like it's done. So instead of container, because here material application, so we need to pass the scaffold. This is something basically you have to send it each time. For if you are developing an iOS, there is a Cupertino scaffold, I think, right, Omar?
Yeah, Cupertino version. We are using the Cupertino library for the iOS.
Yeah, we are a poor guys.
Yeah.
We are not have Apple device, so we're just using a scaffold.
We can code it, but we cannot test it because we don't have iOS.
We said that last event that we have the iOS file folder, and there is a runner Xcode where you can run your application, but you need an app.
Just for reminding.
So here, what we need a bottom navigation bar, which means the bottom one. Let me just like make it null for now. Null means null, like nothing. If you're coming a newcomer to programming. So now let's take our widget tree. Let me just open a comment and close. This is the longer way to open a comment and close, by the way. Or no need for comment. I will do a better way. I will do to no, it should be capital, to do. So basically to do is something nice in Android Studio. I don't know if it's available in Visual Studio for you. I mean, Omar. But in Android Studio, you can just have to do. So inside to do over here in the downside, where is it? Yeah, to do. So you can just see like there is something that you need to do in your application. Like
I
here
haven't
in the
used this before.
One to do. So there is a to do line over here. So if I just say to do here, we said our first widget is a column. So let me just take that one down. I don't need. Let's turn off the application. I don't need them. Just for better coding performance. Let me take the code over here. Make downside. Take this one here. So I'm saying here to do column. And I will just take it a copy because I will. So here I have then row. Then inside the row, I can just paste it, and I just can make it like this. Inside the row, I need column, and what was it? Circle.
Yes.
Circle. Then we need here not a column, text field. To do text field, then we have here downside of the text field. We need a text. Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, text. Then downside, we need a list view builder. And downside, we need not downside. Inside that, we need
Container.
Container. It's a wrong, right?
Yes, container. Oh, there is O missing.
Yeah, sorry.
No
No, still.
problem.
Okay, I get it.
Container.
No, it should.
After A, add an E.
Wow. Then we have here a text widget. Then downside, we have container again. I will just copy it. And also, after that, we need also. No, I get lost. Wait a minute. We have here text. After list view, we have a text.
These texts are just headers.
Yeah, this is a text. Then we need a container and another text. But this container is under the list view. So let me just do it like this. And I need both of them downside here. So I just do it. So after that, text, then container, then text again. Then we have a list view builder which has a container again. So let me just copy it. Hop. Come on. Then we have a bottom bar, which we already implemented. So let's just take it and put it downside here. So it will be more nicer. So now this is just a smaller way, how you can implement. So you can just you organize everything. Now it's time to just go and implement them without any getting inside details. So here I want a no, before we need a body. We said scaffold is taking a body. Body has a container, not container, column. Column, open and close. So now we've done this one. So let's remove it. Under column, we need a list of children. So let's take all these children. Let's take all of this and put it inside. So it will be easier. So this one. Also, let's have here a row, and let's put a comma. Inside the row, we have children. One of them is what was column. Okay, and the other one is circle avatar. So we are also done with this too. So let me just close the row. So instead of to do, we already have it. Then here we have text field. So text field. Okay, text field over here. So we done this one too. Then downside of the text field, we need a text. So here text widget. Hello, no need for data for now. Just keep it like this. Okay, just keep it an empty space. Here we need a list view builder. So list view builder, and let's just keep it not for now. Here we need a container. So container. Hello, container. I'm pressing O. Pressing O. Here text. Text. Yeah. And also here another container. Now it works. Text. So, okay, I don't like the error stuff. Red buttons are like horror movie for me. This view builder again.
No, it's for all of us, all of our programs.
container. Okay. Is it raining over here?
Not
So I
semicolon, by the way.
Did I make semicolon?
Yes.
Where is semicolon?
In the list view builder in the downside.
Okay, sorry, man.
No problem.
So this one, it is like this is the root of it. We have
Yeah.
it. Now it's time to.
By the way, you are not sharing the screen right now. Just yourself.
What?
Yeah.
Now I'm sharing my screen.
But we are now it's working. It was just you before. Your camera.
Okay.
No problem.
So now it's time to put the spices of our code. But before that, one of the most important rules in doing any programming coding stuff, you cannot repeat the same code twice. So for example, like here, this is text, this text. So instead of just using text with it, can we just make it one function, or just I think just keep it like that?
For now, if all of them are same, we can do it. But for now, they might need to be different, like size or style. So it's
So no
code
need, right?
repetition is bad, but if they are different, that's another story. So we will see.
I forget to put text over here and also text in the downside. So this one, this two. I'll just take the same one. So now it's time to do. So we can get the time, exactly the time that it's showing up over there, like November 29, 9:13 p.m. But we have a time
package for that.
right?
Inteller package.
How to show the exact date, but not in provide in Flutter.
There's an inteller pop-dev package.
How can I current date? Let's look at overflow. Overflow is like the human saver. So there is a date time. There is a datetime widget, and scheduling date
for formatting, so showing in a better way. As I said back in the downside,
time
there's a dependency.
What?
There's a dependency. Yeah,
inteller. So let's go and take our dependency. So go to project, perspective YAML, go down here in the dependencies. Let's just put it under Cupertino.
It's better to get the latest version from pub.dev, just for saying.
That could be, yeah, you are right. So let's go here and not this one. Hello, I cannot press. Oh, sorry. And pub.dev website. Our friends, right? Just write the name of the application. Get inside.
Most of the packages dependencies that you want, you can get them from here, and the latest version of it.
Not most of them, all of them.
Yeah.
And it's the same.
These are this is official. Maybe somewhere there are unofficial, but yeah, all of them. Let's say.
So here is the same. So let's just like have this 3 lines, and so it should print.
And the printer will print it, but we will just show it in the text widget, so we don't need it.
So here inside our class, we can just like have it over here and remove this one. And here format class, just like right click.
We need to import them.
Get the package.
Yeah.
But look at this.
That guy loves you, by the way.
Yeah. Yesterday I was coding, I didn't see it. Hello?
What it says? It cannot be accessed by initializer.
Let's go to the same pop. I want to see the package information. Come on. Intel. It was Intel? Intel.
Intel, yeah.
No, not this one.
Yes,
Intel.
there are examples also.
Yeah, that's why I'm going there. I'm checking the example. There's no example. Where is the example?
Then it's in the README, I think. Yeah, they just didn't need it.
Yeah. So time date now. Let's just take this one. Go back here.
The problem is it says in the initializer you cannot do it. So just make string format date. Then in the downside, it just cast it to the format date. It will work, I think.
Also there is something with. Just take this one out. What's the problem right now? No problem.
It says initializer. I mean, you are creating the variable and directly putting it in. It says you cannot do this. Just first create the variable. Then in the one down line side, just cast it. That's what I'm trying to say.
So just
Take
create
it.
that variable.
Yes, first create it, then cast it. Take it. Yes, take it.
What is AR? Year, day. Here we have a month. I think. Let me just go there and take a look. Yes, here we have. Do we have month? Yes, month. No, is it month?
That's the language location.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah.
For example, I want it to be like over here. We have the month, then we have like the day, then we have the time. And wait a minute, I will be back. Let me just open. Okay, I'm back. So we need the day and a month and the day. I think this one.
If I do not show it, I think it takes it automatically, right? I didn't specify the locale before. Local, I mean. So the one that comes from the guy, Stack Overflow, should also work.
Yeah, the localization. Where is localization? Can I just go for it? No. Ooh, what is this? This is a lot of things. So let's check again the guy. So we did that one. We did that one. Okay, then we have like print. Allah.
It's to specify you. I don't think you need to specify. You don't need to specify, Mohamed. You just use that main. Yeah, use that one.
Okay, but I need the time right now.
Time. It will show you the time now. Date time now. Also, there is
this one.
Show the.
Why there is two format? Okay, no, it should like.
Because you are calling from a object. From the constructor, you are calling it, then calling the object. That's why there's two.
Format.
But it says you cannot make it initializer. I am saying that just create the variable first, then in the line 15, cast it. Did you get it?
Line 15.
I mean, okay, create a string. It was string, right? Yeah, create a string first. Just string formatted date. Just create that.
Okay, I will just keep up with you.
Create that. Okay, close it. Then one downside.
Okay.
The formatted date equals that
Okay,
code.
cool.
So you are doing the casting right now, not in the initializer. I think this should work.
I hope so.
Does it work? What is the problem?
Format.
What it says?
Create
I
now.
think this
Because I
happens
mixed
because
up people. Wait a minute. I will just take that one and go back here. This is exactly what's going on.
so what it says? It's already defined. Where is defined?
Where that is defined? There is no define. Add a type.
So it simply means that you cannot do it over there. Just try to do it in a function, then call it. Okay? Create a function, then do it inside, then call it. That will work.
Let's try this one.
It means you cannot do it over there. It says.
Fine, now. Let's try to do that one.
Okay.
Say like here also he's showing you like the ID. Here I want the month and day. So month underscore day is a 4MD. And also the hours over in our design, we have just like the hour and the minute. So hour and minute, just HM. So let's try. Let's try. Go back here, remove this things, all of them. But it again. Aman ya Rabbi.
Yeah, it says it cannot be reached over there. You put them inside build context. I mean the downside.
Okay,
stateless build.
This is stateless. Bottom is stateless.
Yeah, downside. Yeah, yes, this one. But inside of the build, I mean,
Okay.
Now it will work.
Allah.
Yes, it doesn't work over there. I faced this before. Now I remember. You cannot do it there.
Something interesting, you know.
Over there, you can just create final variables, then make initialization in the inside of a class, or not class, I mean function, or inside the build. That's why.
I put everything in the screen. It is taking setting pattern. Oh, but I need a time as well. What is the timer? HM. Should I also add the HM? Or there is a variable for it? I need also the time. No. Hour and minute. This is the hour and minute. I just want to do as the thing that as the girl wants. So let me just duplicate this one and not format. Format H, and this is like M, and here we need to put HM. Let's format now. It should work, right?
Yes, it will work. Now one will get the now variable will get the date, current date. The formatter will format it, so it will work.
We will not lose anything. Let's try.
It will work.
But we will face a lot of problems, I think, during building our UI like that.
I think, Mohamed, before the functions, it will be better if we just finish the UI, then do the functions, right? I think so. First,
Let me just
finish the UI, then do the functions.
Let me just take them away because I need to check it too. Hello. So let me just like take that part and let's try to run. Let's try.
Did you get my point?
I think so, yeah.
Because we have a limited time. It will take time. UI is more important right now.
It's
Okay.
not of UI, you know. Thank you. You made it short.
Yeah, I know it's not just UI, but the subject is complex UI, so UI part is more important right now.
This is something complex, yani. You cannot see we are facing with a problem.
First, you can just make a dummy date, then you can make the function and put it. That's okay.
Okay.
But it shows, I think.
But my application is my Android Studio is lagging. It shows, but I cannot check it. So here, instead of scaffold, there is something called a safe area, which is one of the Flutter widget. Let me try to get it from here. Flutter safe area. So yeah, there is safe area. Let's check. I hope there is something here. So safe area basically is just like adding the budget. That's just looking at your operating system and your device, and it's just adding a padding. So you can just check the video about safe area because let's not have it right now because it will take time to watch the video. So anyway, we can just like go here, right click, and no, you don't know this one. So you can just like select the scaffold, right click, show some suggestions, and you can just like wrap with a widget. So you just adding upper widget like a parent for it.
Parent widget.
This is faster way.
Yeah.
So we need a safe area. So I'm just adding the safe area for whole my screen because we said scaffold is just like the skeleton of your screen. So I'm just adding safe area. So like all your screen will be inside that area, and you will understand it more. I'm just like hot reload.
Like it will not overflow.
Yeah, look at here. It works.
Yes.
It works. You might say why it's like that because I just put them here. So if I just like take it out and okay, sorry for you. Give it space. And also here, can I make plus like that? Yeah, I can.
Yes, you can.
And go back to the UI. It's nice. You just like need to make some magical on them. So here the background of the application is black. So let's just go to scaffold. One of the scaffold things that I can just change the background and say colors dot
black.
And just like let's give it a space. And let me just run it. So like I'm just rubbing everything again. So here we start. We need also to show PM and AM. We have our formatting time is 24 hours, so it's a different. So after that, where we go? We are here. Let me just trying to make it clear so I can just see. Okay, I can just go.
Text should be white also. Text color, I mean.
I cannot see the screen. There is a problem. No, I just remove it. Just remove it. I should save it. I need to go and check it from again. Need to go and take it again. And she sent it over here, and I take it, open, then close Discord. Hello, my guys. Why I missed the screen? Okay. Take it out. This time I will save it. Here, save as. And where is the desktop? No, I save it, so no problem for it. Let me just remove also the extra things that I don't need anyway right now. go to the here. Yes, I have it over here. That's better. So much better. So here we have this. We made that one, but we need to change the style. So we can just say style, text style. If you forget the parameter anytime, just Control left click.
It will show you what
and
it can take.
Go to documentation and read about it. Or just like hold the little.
If you wait, it will show you what it can be casted in the right side.
So inside style, we need color.
Color, font size also.
Colors dot black.
White.
Sorry. White. And font size.
Let's make it 14. Let's say.
Okay, 14.
Let's see how big it is.
Reload. My lovely one.
It's not that big. It can be bigger. Maybe 16
it can be bigger.
17.
And also let's just so in column I need the adding space. So in column there is something called max main axis alignment and cross axis alignment, which means you can just control the alignment between your widget inside your column by doing that. So main axis alignment for I think for the horizontal way. So I just say main axis alignment is taking what is exactly taking?
Row goes from left to right. So main axis alignment is from left to right. Yeah. So horizontal for row.
Main axis, not axis size. Axis alignment. Yeah. Then I say dot. Then we have there is center, space around, space evenly, space between. So I can just like change it as I want. So I want to divide two of them. So like my first column, I want to be at the beginning, and the second one, I want to make it in the end. So I think space between is the things that I might need. So let me just like hot reload. Why it doesn't work?
It is column, by the way, not row.
My bad. So over here,
I also
reload. I think I need to make it a little bit bigger. Let me just.
Also, we can remove that debug banner. I think show debug banner false.
Yeah, it's a kind of annoying. So let me just making the screen small so it looks exactly as that one. Let me remove my face. I don't know why I have it. So just also try to make it smaller. So like I just want the screen become the same as that one. Yeah, I think this is the same. So I need there is a little bit padding merging around, if you can see. So we need something to add. So we need to control. We need to look at the vertical way of it. So we say main axis alignment is the horizontal way. So I think cross
axis vertical.
Hello, what did I do to you? Yeah, cross axis alignment, cross axis alignment dot. So here there is a center, start, and scratch baseline. So I think I need them in the center, because like I don't want to be like just stuck in the top or in the left or the right, like in the top or down. So I think I need them in the center. Hot reload. Nothing changed.
Because there is nothing in the downside, right?
No, I just want it in the center. Let's try to make it big, then we can see what will happen. So go back here. Here the word is. Let me just make a const. So my text. Const is just like when you are adding const for your widget. If you will not change the text of it or the things that it has. So adding const word. That means you will not change it anymore, and in the same time, it's better for performance. So while you are building your widget tree, it will not like rebuild that text because it knows that it's the same as before.
When you call the state, it won't call this widget anymore because it's const. It's not dynamic. It won't change anymore. That's why.
So I think this is a nice one, explore event. Then I just have a style, text style, and inside text style, color is colors dot white,
Mhm.
and after color dot white, let me also have. Let me just format it. It's better way. Right.
Also, in the upper side, November, as you see, is bigger, so you can just make it bigger by using two uppercase.
That's a good one, but let me finish this one first. Then
Mhm.
remind me about it. So font
Yeah.
size, that one was the first one was 14. Here is bigger, so I think let's make it 18 because like it's. And also I want font weight, which is if you are using Excel or something, you know this one. Font weight is you can just like make it font. What is taking as parameter?
Font weight, yeah, same. Font weight. Font
Bigger
weight dot bold.
weight dot bold. Yeah, that's one. So I think if we just like hot reload and look, it's look better. And let me go up here and say where's the first one? Here I just
Formatter.
want the mark
Yes,
dot to
uppercase.
uppercase. Hot reload. I just make it by my keyboard, so that's nice.
So make all of the letters bigger, capital.
But I think it should be more bigger size. You know?
Explorer events must be more bigger. Yeah, must be bigger.
No, even both of them, and they should be like a little padding around.
Yes,
So I
there
need
is
to
a
add,
little thing.
can we add more padding over here.
No, between
Yeah,
them, you cannot between them.
No, I mean all the screen. There should be a padding inside all the screen. So I think in that one, let me drop it in another widget, which called padding. So I can just padding. So now I am just making padding for all my three elements. So I have this that side and this side. No, but this side I should not have padding.
Yeah, you can make edge insert only, and for the upper side, you know.
Yeah, let me try. Edge
We are calling edge insets.
dot horizontal.
You wanna specify it? That's why it's only.
It's nice one, but what is only is taking like
top. You can take the top.
So I can just like top. Yeah, there is top. Top I need like 10, like 10 centimeter. Then I need also right side. So right I also need like not 10, also 10. Also let's check.
If you make it right, that list builder will look different.
Let's check what will happen. Okay, just let me try here, and this is better. Let me just click this one so I can see everything over here. So let's make it right is 12. Why it doesn't change? Doesn't it change? 20. Why? Why?
Yeah, I think you shouldn't make padding in the column. Just make it in the like their parent or.
So let me check. There's a padding, but no. There's a safe area padding. Okay, let me just get back. Control Z, Control Z.
If you wanna make padding, call that padding in the row or column that you have.
It's
Texas and the others as a child.
I'm making right side. I'm not making. Wait a minute. I'm right. Wait a minute. I'm making, but I'm doing a right. I should do it in left side.
Did you want to make it left, really?
I'm making it right side. Left side.
Okay, I don't. That's why I said we have also list. If we make it right side, it will not look as same. I think you didn't hear.
I don't think so.
Okay.
So 15 is too much. Let's make it 12. And hot reload. Hot reload is control backslash. So just like control backslash.
Also make explore events bigger as a font.
Make, but let's just like look at.
Yeah, we can Simply put a photo in the circle avatar. It's no problem. It doesn't have to say.
Someone photo.
Hmm?
I know someone. I just had it. I should not remove his photo. Wait a minute. Where is my trash?
So we
So
will
sorry.
also show assets and how to implement it. It will be nice.
No, I need like this not size name. Mhm.
I will be back, Mohammed. I'm sorry.
Okay. Where is that photo? I cannot get it right now. I cannot have it. So let's go internet and try to find someone photo. So it's a movie one, right? It's a movie application. Let's try to. It's a girl photo. So let's just try to have a person photo. Person photo. Photo. That's nice. So we can have it like anyone. Let's have that guy. No, he will take the application. He will steal the application from us. I don't know, but this is no. I think let's have this one. Save as image. Let's just save it in desktop, and let's say here the name of it is person profile photo. Enter. Save. So okay, let's have it and go back to code. We will add it, but let's make here the font is 20 and press hot reload and yo. 16. That's good. So here let's make it 23, 24. It's just a game. This is nice, I think. So now let's check on our circle avatar. Circle avatar I wanted in more in the center, so I think I just can wrap it in the center widget. This is also a faster way, just like instead of taking, so you can just like container padding. I just say size box. I just will use center. Press hot reload. No, it didn't work center because there is no the upper widget is not doesn't have a center. So here background image. So we can have image class image. So in image class there is, if you just like have the image class, there is a lot of things inside of it. But just to be faster, you just have image.asset. So it just directly taking the asset that you have, like the source file of your, or the place that you hold your photo, and it just putting it inside. So here I need to create a file for the photos. So I just like go make directory, and let's say I'll just make it, call it as again assets. Inside the assets, I can just add my photo. Where is it? I just can grab it and go back to code and just like put it inside the assets and refactoring. So now I just added like kind of like import to my project file. Then I go up and copy the path. This is faster way. So like here, this is the path assets profile photo. And also I just need to pass it over here. So this is like the URL of the asset. And what is the problem? So I think I should put it inside the image class. Take it out. Image, not image widget, sorry. Image, then I have image, and I should put it like that. Is it working? No. Why? Anyway, I will just make it child. Maybe it can work. And yes, it cannot be. This is a. Take it out. Take this one out. Yeah, now it's better. So if we just hit hot reload and nothing changed. Why? There is a problem here. You cannot load the asset. So in Flutter, if you need to add anything or any outside resource, you have first to add it in pubspec.yaml. So here there is an asset class or the asset part. You just like take it out from the comment. I just like go over there and remove that one. And make sure that there is two space. Then also I remove that one and make it from the letter A. So like I think two space, yeah, two space. And here I will add the name of, not this one. I just need to add the path of my file, which is that one. So if I just get, so I'm getting the details and save it. There's a problem. What is the problem? So I think I should give it one more space. Now bubbles, let's get it. Now it's fine. So just like 3 spaces. Okay. So format. No, I don't need this one. Then I get saying get dependencies, just like to upgrade my code. So if I just also hit reload, as you can see, the photo is just getting over there, but it's not. It didn't get as a circle image because I'm not using it as a circle. I should use that one. Image background. It's taking image provider. Okay, image provider. So what is inside image provider? No. Let me check what is image provider is taking. It's taking course and stream.
I am back.
Hello, man. What is image provider is taking?
I haven't used it, but it says stream, so it is not what you're looking for. I think because we are not using streams.
Let me check. No, it's not the thing that I'm looking for. Let me check this one if there is a real example over here. No, yes, no. It's taking, it's the big, harder one. So what can I just add in the background image? It was working, that one, by the way, but I don't know why it's
You
not
need
working.
background image, just using child, wasn't it enough?
Child is just giving the it's
Given
not
what?
working. It's just making it like looks like that. You can see like whole size.
I think you can clip redirect or something. There is, right?
But I just need to fet it, and here I just taking fetting box. So box fet dot cover. I want to just cover the whole part.
So it
But
doesn't
no, I
look
don't want
like
it over here.
circle, right? This is the problem.
No, this not look like a circle. Let me just try to provide it here. Let me check. Yuck. I need to add one more here. Okay. Save. Oh no. I think if we add the image, we need to like hot restart or just like.
Can you edit the image inside? I mean, inside the image.
I tried it. No, it doesn't work. It didn't work. Okay. Is it? It loads, but no, it didn't work. So let me just take it and look for internet as always. So circle avatar Flutter asset image. Yeah, I think there is 1,000 of people facing with the same problem. And here, yeah, background.
Background image.
Image provided, yeah. So this works. So now
Background image, they say.
No, here, this is the problem. So here they said like you can just have it like this, and here
Use asset image.
what?
Asset image, not image.asset.
Asset image.
In the background image one, enum.
Yes.
Change it.
So let me just
Change
make
it so it will work.
This is another widget. Let me check and
Remove that fit.
Okay, removed. Oh.
Not in the child, in the
Background image wrap. I'm surprised.
yes.
It works.
Yes, it
Hey,
works. This is the power of Stack Overflow.
there is the radius. I want the radius of the photo. Let's say 13.
Now it becomes bigger. And
Yeah, I think it's nice. But you know, like over there is still like a space over there, and
padding, a little padding you can add.
yeah, so I can just add a little padding, or maybe I can just add like a size box.
No, padding is better. I think padding is better.
It's like it's fine in the other, it's fine in the other. I just like push it from there a little. So I think
Okay,
size box is better. Size box is just like giving a size. So like it's hidden box. You cannot give it any color. It's just like taking child, maybe height or width. That's all. So here in that case, I need like a width, not a height. So width, let's say 5. Control hot reload. No, no. Okay, just 2. No. Wait a minute. I think
Because you make it space between, that's why.
Okay. So if I just like if I just remove that line, what would happen?
If you remove it, it will go to the left side.
So we can have last time we talked about let's just const over here as well. Last time we talked about spacer. So we can have a spacer between. And if we control save, yeah, that's it. So spacer fix it, and also let's have a const as well. Const. Let's take it put it upside here in the text, so it's better. I think now this part is done. It looks like it's almost looks like it.
Why there is error?
I don't know. No, yeah. Wait a minute. Because of what? Because I'm taking them from there. Because it's updating it. That's why. So I cannot just make it const because every time if I just like hot reload, like it should update the second. Because
And they are not sitting in the same place if you look at the text, because of the size.
Size.
Yeah.
Not center. I think it should like because here we already have it, so I think we have to make it like start. No, this is the sorry.
This is the cross axis, so from up to down, vertical.
So here not should be between. It should be start. Yo, didn't work. Not so. I think inside. No, this should be inside the column. Column it should be not the row. So here inside the column, I should make it like starting. So they are starting from the same. Okay, sorry, not here inside the column before the widget, and dotted hot reload. Why? Let me check. Let me just check the screen. Didn't work, not working. Why there is dead space? Hello, space. It's just making them in the center also. Like they are center of each other.
Actually, it was in the correct place, in the row, that row.
No.
I think because you are making it center.
Now it works. If I remove that one, there's no need. Yeah, there is no need for that one, so they just take it.
Exactly.
So it works, yeah. and it's just like organizing the code. So here it's working. Let me just remove that ugly one. Yeah, now it looks
Yeah,
better,
better.
so much
And
better.
they have a little bit spacing between them too, you know.
Okay, we can just add that one inside the column. This is the first text. Let me just make it small. And this is the second one. Let's make it small. And also like size box. Size box. And inside the size box, we need here is the height. So let's just like 1.2.
It's solid.
No.
You know, it won't make a difference. Let's make it like 3 or 4.
Yeah, Adam had 5. Is that 5? 4
Yeah,
is
5
4 is
or 4. Yeah, it's
4
better.
is 5.
Yes.
So now we finish our row. We finish our first we finished that one. Hopefully, now we have the text field. So let's go downside and just take this one out, and also add the text field. So, and just press hot reload. Let me check where is the text field will come up. There is no here. It's just like that. So here the text field inside it has another color, but text field doesn't have. But if you just go there, where is the text field widget? Text field Flutter.
It
There
should
was
be
a nice
inside
example.
of a container, Mohammed, to be able to give
Let
that
me
check.
check. Here, yeah, here one. That's one. So
That's
here there's
border.
like a text border. So I think we can have that text field. Let's take that text field.
You can
just want
create
something
your
simple.
own, you know, container.
Yeah, but this is nice one. It's still nice one. Let me like hot reload. No need for that. What is this? Okay, sorry. Yup, ma. I just pressed the wrong button. Still on. I don't need Flutter attach. So I think we can add like border radius now. I think in the decoration there is a background color. No.
Your color.
Colors dot gray. I think that's
Fill color is text color, I think, not.
I think the background fill. Let's check. We cannot lose anything. Like, let's check it. Let's just wait and let's do it. Check it. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, it created
Look,
a border,
it's working.
but it is not the same as in the photo. That's why I recommended a container.
So let's try. I will just keep going with you. Here, so we have here container. So container.
And as a child, you will have a text field.
Child, and this add the text field. So here, let's hot reload and.
But you need to remove the border, I think, and give a width
color.
and
Colors. Wait a minute. Let me just see my container first.
Okay.
But I need space between. So let me just go upside here. Where was my column? So I need here main axis alignment. Main axis alignment dot which one should I choose? Can't I just wait here? No, there is no one. So here space evenly. Let's try. No.
Mohammed, you shouldn't use main axis alignment. Just use a size box or something to make a space between them. It is easier.
Okay, that's good. That's easy. Size box. And inside size box, we have the height is 10.
Or you can, if you want,
15.
if you don't want to use all the time size box, you can also use margin from the up.
No. And here I need also the the cross-axis alignment. I just want to make them all in the center. Cross-axis alignment to center. Should be in the center right now. I think so. Let me go back to our container. So instead of password, we need to have what was it over there? The photo. Search.
So you just change it to the
Ah,
search and
also-
some dots.
We need an icon as well. So
Mm,
it's so let's just like search
okay, inside the container we can have a row, you know.
inside the container. Yeah, we can. Why not? So let's just take out this text field and make it row.
You can
And-
create without removing it by
Yeah. And here also I need an icon. And what's that icon? We need the icons.
I cannot see clearly, but it's not
Maybe.
anything, yeah. Any
You can-
icon. We cannot just go and find that icon, you know. It will take time, or you, if you want, I don't know.
Search. Let's just make a search icon.
Mhm.
It will be nice. And I want here in the row, I need also main axis alignment. Main axis
can
alignment.
Put a spacer as you did before if you want, or just expand it. You can use expanded.
Space between, yeah, it will expand them. Not this one, I need this one. Oh, and also that icon, I need to make a color for it. And so color, colors dot white. No,
You wrote wrong.
colors
Colors.
dot, not gray. Come on, it's already gray.
Make it pink, yeah. Just make it pink.
Where's that button? Hello, my friend. Where are you?
I cannot see. Is it?
Me neither. It's not there. Huh. We have something missing over there. Let me check. Oh, there is an error. Bunch of errors. Okay, cool, I guess.
It is not error, I think.
Bing. What is Bing name? Yeah. Pink acid. So there is an error. So let me just like. So I think
There shouldn't be
text
error.
should take. So let me just do something. I will remove the space between because I want the text field taking the as much as it can take. So I think I should wrap it in expanded widget, which means like it will just expand.
Expanded by just allows the child to get as much as space it can,
Now it's worked. Look,
and you can control it. You can give it a flex and control how much space it can get.
So here I need to also give some padding to the icon. Not padding. I need.
You know, icon also can get expanded and flex. If
Oh, this
there's
is
something bad, you can try in the future if there's something wrong.
We don't need border anymore. Do we need it border? No. How is no need border? We just like need a little bit.
Yeah, I said you don't need border, and you can specify the
Size.
height and width.
And width is like 5 and close it. Also do not forget const here. Const. Okay. Now it should work. Now it's nice, but let me just give it more space. Like 6. No, not 6. I need like 10. That's fine. I think so. That's fine. But we need to get a little bit upper size. So let's make it 20. So yeah.
Better if we have a little bit padding in the right side,
But let me change. I don't need a gray. I need something black, but I need that kind of black. So I need like a dark black. So it will be a little.
No, that's the container. Higher.
Yeah, I know. Wait a minute.
Make it grayish.
No. That's the container. Or yeah, I need the container one. Yeah. Don't do that.
No, I mean grayish. Choose a grayish one. So it can.
Gray, and no.
And you know, if you add brackets, like
This one and say
and add numbers, it shows actually right now. I think if you wait on it, it will show you what can you put. Wait on the gray one. Does it show? It shows me normally.
I cannot see.
Yeah. Yes, you can also check, but it showed me the colors too, that's why.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, well,
Yes, this is what I want.
here, let's have our here.
Also, that icon needs padding, I think, from the right side.
Lapping style, text style. So lapping is a text, so we need to just press the text style, so we can just add it.
Mohamed.
Here, yeah, wait a minute. Color.white. That looks better. And also we need the font size is 18 maybe. 20 is better. Yeah, it is better, so much better. Let's make it 23. Perfect. So what did you say, Omar?
You know,
I think no need.
adding expanded to the icon and deciding the flex will allow you to give some space in the right side to it. If you look at the picture, you know that icon is from in a little bit left side inside the container. See? That's
Okay,
why.
yeah, I have here not the size of the icon. Wait a minute. Yeah, we can just add like after the icon we can just have a size box.
Okay.
Size box. Inside box we need a width, and width is taking like let's say 10, for example. Let me check. And yeah, not bad. 12. Yeah, I think that's fine. It's not exactly.
Let's go
but
for the borders.
Row we need a little the radius. So let's check the container. We have here decoration. Then inside decoration, it's
box
taking...
decoration. Box decoration.
Wait a minute. There, decoration. There is here box decoration. It's just like the color brown. See box decoration as example. So let's just take the box decoration. Pop. Inside the box decoration, yeah, we have border radius. This is what we need.
Border radius again.
Border radius.
Yes, border radius. Just border radius.
Okay, radius. Dot. No.
Dot all.
Wait a minute. Let me radius. Dot. No, not dot all. Come on. Dot circle. Sen unuttum galiba.
Yeah, you can also do like that.
Ta-da!
Sonra buna.
I should. If you are making a decoration, you should put the color inside. I spent like 2 days trying to fix that problem at the beginning.
Yeah, this is nice. Yes.
A little bit. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Look, like our design is starting to get more clear. I don't have that icon. That's why it's like it's my bad because we cannot have that icon. So we are trying to do with our resource. So after that we will do the text one. Take it out, put it inside after our container. We have our text, but we need our box. So another box here. We will cost a lot of box decoration. You know. Let's remove it for now. Box to size box. Maybe we can add it later on. I will like if it could work. Not here. Yeah, we can add it later on. So let's here add the text. Where is the text? Oh. So here first I need to say const again, and here the text is popular.
Yeah. And all of them are capital. It will be better if you just make it instead of using to uppercase.
To uppercase, okay.
Instead of doing that, you can just write it by yourself. As I said that.
I'm so lazy to do that. Oh,
Man, you're in a workshop, man.
popüler. Ha. İyiymiş ben. Text style. You know, I'm the person who's writing the code now. Get out of here.
I'm
I
trying to
need-
help, by the way,
Like everyone. Yeah, of course, I know, man. Thank you.
all the time.
So, colors dot white. So I think if we go back to the code and press not here. Hello, where have you been, popular? Hey, popular kid.
Yes, in the center.
Yeah, it just come up. Why is the center? They are the center
Because
here.
we
and
are making center. Make it start, yeah.
Great.
Yes.
We will add the space later. So here we have the popular. After the popular, we need the
We need a list builder.
SU that has container inside of it. So let's just take it out and both of them here. Let's just take, we need the container right now. Let's just come here and so inside the stream builder, yesterday we talked about like how we can make a stream, and here stream builder, we say stream builder is taking the
List
content
builder.
and the index. So inside each one we have a container. Container icon. Container. Container. So like this is our card. So now we have like a card, and we need to think about each that as a container. Like this is a container, this is a second container. So like they are the same, but
They are same, but in count there are
and
some.
another photo. Let's just add here a photo. Let's look here for not a personal photo. Movie or this? It's a music or movie? Music, right?
Music. Just find the music photo.
Music album photo.
And in order to put texts on top of it, you can use tag widget, I think.
Omar, what is your favorite brand?
Yeah, I just listen to the music, which sounds good to me. You can take that Nirvana, by the way. It's a nice music with a baby. The one with baby.
So here, music album.
You can directly put it into the assets file that you have created. It's better.
Yeah, you wasn't here when I created. How did you know?
You know, I made it before myself.
Following from backside.
I made it myself. You know, I am making it by myself too. I know it how to do it.
Are you making it? Are you making it right now?
You know, I'm also working in Flutter, so I know how to do it. That's why.
Aferin oğlum, aferin. Why is not working like before? No, I need to take the folder from outside.
Yeah, just get the file path, folder path. I don't know in Linux.
Directly path. So I will just get inside
Put it there. Yes. Nice. It's done.
Are you sure? Because Linux is different.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
different.
Even if it's
The
it's
path.
different.
The path, go to spec.yaml. Let me just make it bigger, and here just go downside and post it. And now go. Not we need this one anymore. We don't need one anymore. Why did I keep them? So we just have the path over here. So here we need a container. We said container.
Yes.
Then we have. Should we make it as a child then we have, or we can just make an image?
By the way, we need a row, I think.
Image.
Or can we make it vertical? I mean horizontal, Mohamed?
No, wait a minute. How can I just want to add the image in the background of like the decoration. It's kind of inside. I think inside decoration.
Make a child, I think.
Box decoration.
Right.
Wait, let me check inside box decoration. Maybe I have.
Yes, there is
Image.
image.
So I here asset image. Let's use that asset image. Maybe it will work finally. And inside the asset image we have the.
I don't
Okay,
think so.
we need to use the other word. Image. Image dot asset. Yeah. Yeah, Rabbi.
I think you should make call it as a child. Make it a child. Child.
It's my bad.
Decoration image. Ah, okay. I haven't used this way before.
And here, yeah, we have the image and we have our asset image.
Look what it takes. Look what it can
We're
take.
just taking an image. Also again taking that one. Yeah. No. Asset image. Huh? Are you happy now? Get
Huh.
the pen. Oh, I didn't get dependencies when I added. Okay, sorry. But let's also say something. Let's have inside decoration. Let's have a color for our container. Colors.
I think it will show the image, so color doesn't make a difference.
Yeah, that could be too. So let's check. Okay, I just make dependencies. Why? Okay,
Let's see the image, then we can continue. What is the problem?
No. Oh.
I think you need to
We have
you need to put a height or weight on weight. Yeah,
oh,
right.
expanded. I need to put it inside expanded, so it will take the available
Yes,
space.
yes, I understand.
Let's move this one. No, it's still not there.
Doesn't
It's
show
still,
anything.
it's still loading actually.
Ah, okay. I think that list view builder should be inside of a row
Why wrong?
because left to right and horizontal.
Before a few, in the beginning of the workshop, you said we can just make a scroll direction.
Or that one işte. I'm just saying what comes to my mind now.
Oh, I think
Either way it can work. Yani just use the one that works.
just stop it because I know what's the problem. I think so. So here we need
Yeah, back scroll direction, huh?
No. What is scroll direction taking? It's taking X.
Axis vertical. Axis dot horizontal.
Horizontal.
Oldu. Güzel.
And I think that one it need to wrap inside another widget. So we need and we have to decide the size of that widget. So we need to say width is width. We need to take the width as much as it's possible. So I think we can just like we can just keep it without width. I think, right?
No, you don't need width. You have expanded. A height maybe.
Height. We need like
Height, yeah.
300.
It's
200.
so much. Maybe 200.
Okay. Okay.
Mohamed, do you know what time is it?
Yok artık. I think we can just like keep around.
Can we?
Just ask our attendants. But like we are doing a great job over here. Back. It's just my.
Is it loading still?
What on?
Huh?
Hmm?
Is it still loading?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Allah.
That's why.
Incorrect use of parent data widget. You remove that container, yeah.
I think I should remove that one.
Yeah, you can also remove that.
Still
This
loading.
time,
Why it's taking that much time? No. It's first time to take that much time.
you can
What's
give
that?
a width of, double dot max finitive.
Double dot infinity, not max infinity, just infinity. So it's just like being.
Yeah, that's also fine.
And let's reload the application because of that.
Allah Allah.
Yani Allah Allah, ne yapacağım?
Why it's
Maybe
cool?
because of the image. Let's check what will happen. There is always a problem with images and outside resource with me. We are not a good friends. You're laughing on me, but
Not laughing on you, laughing on your joke.
It's load, and here, okay, it's load. Why there is nothing in the screen?
Not
Nice.
hot reload. Just make a full reload. That's it.
I made full reload. It's not right.
Allah Allah. Garip.
Now I just remove what I made. I removed my message. Now it should go back to the previous code. Rabbi, let's try to work in the backside. Let's put
Make it
over
comment. Let's see what
here.
happens.
Make it comment. Yeah, I made that already.
Güzel. Şimdi try again. Let's see if it's the cows or there is another thing.
It works. So it's the code.
So
So let's try to make it like step by step. Container. That container it. Okay, that container inside of it. We need the width is double dot infinity. And the height is 300. Let's just try. And color is colors dot green. Any color. Try. This is 300 is a big height. Let's just like
as I said, make it less.
Sen her şeyi bilirsin.
Yeah, yeah, it's just experience.
It's fine. 200, I think 200 is it's fine.
Yes.
Okay, so we will just take that color outside, and we will have a decoration box decoration as we did in the upper part. Inside box decoration, we have radius border radius dot circle, and we will have 15.
Do we need radius? I mean, this over there. We don't need that. We are making this container in order to put list view builder, right? Why you are making a border?
Just border should be inside, and you can be right. Yeah. So let's just take this one from here and put it over there. So let's try to have that image first. Like let's just to make the container first. After that, we can just wrap it inside the list view. What do you think? This is better.
Yeah, first let's make the container with that image, then we can put it inside the builder.
I say the same thing.
Yes. I mean, I agree.
Lovely. So I should image that fit box fit dot cover. I think cover. Yeah, cover. So exactly the box fit over here. If you just type not here, fit. Yeah, cover. It's not working. It was working. Now it's not working. No, this is not cover. Fill, I think. Just fill. It could be nice. No, bro, it could be. So, on the top of that, here it's like a column. We have like a here another like box.
We have a column.
Yeah.
That one in the right side, the other one in the down side,
So they are
bottom
the
left.
column, just like here.
But
Maybe.
they are on top of the image, so we should have a stack, I think.
Child, Kardashian child.
Okay.
Column. So inside our column, let's have a list of children. Then first, we need that one. Should we make it like? Let's make it a circle, because if we make it like a container, it will like take a time. So let's just make it circle. Okay.
As you wish. Okay, go on.
Circle avatar, and inside the circle avatar, we have a child, which is text, and this const text, hello const. Okay, text, and let's just keep it like that. No. And backslash n, which means like go line down 21, and hit save. Yeah, nice one. I like it. Radius is 15. No, I make it smaller, 20, 30. Yeah, and here we need the text. We need the text to be more center. So I think we have alignment inside the text widget. Yes, last time we saw. Yeah, text alignment. It's taking an text alignment. Text align dot not text align. Text what? Text align. Yeah.
Just text align. You didn't make it capital. That's why it gives error. Align one.
Yeah. Thank you. So it will be just in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
We need to change the background of that one. Over there, it was background colors dot. What was the color over here? It was white, right? Yeah, white. Colors dot. Hello. Yeah, but it's in the center, so I think we can just like control it. So we can just take that widget and also make it. We need to align it, and we talk about align widget in the first event. Like we can just align inside of it. So let's just make align widget, and inside align widget we have the child is that one, and I think there is another one. Yeah, here alignment where we need it. So alignment is taking
alignment again. Yes.
Yeah, alignment geometry. So that means alignment.
You can trust me enough.
Where we need it? We need it in the right part, in the top.
Yes.
So right top. If we press save, exactly where we need. Yes, it might be a little bit padding, so we can just have padding, no problem. So we can just take our column and wrap it in a padding widget. I'm just making it more faster right now. Just let's make it 10, and that's so much nicer. And here we have two text. So let's just make our two text. So I think by default they will be in the center, right? Or should we drag them and align again?
You can just align. Yes, you can make it align.
It, you know? I'm not. This is israf, you know. Aligned. No. alignment dot. I need this time left
Bottom
bottom.
left. Hmm.
Let me just take that one because I will use it twice. Copy, paste it over here. And here child, I need a text.
You could make a column again, but okay.
No, it's rough. Const,
It's no difference.
yeah.
Making to a line or making one column.
What is that? I cannot read it actually.
Concert,
Text
the weekend, yeah. There's no E. Week, N, D.
const again, and here alignment. And here also const.
Make concert capital, all of them.
Const. Yeah, Cardition. Concert. Are you happy now?
Yeah, it's what it looks like. That's why I'm not trying to torment you or something, you know?
The weekend. Okay, I don't care about that much. And here, style. I think we should make a style widget for that one later.
In order to make it bigger, yes.
Yeah.
And
Make it more
bold.
colors dot. Again, I have a problem with colors dot white. Font sizes. This one is big, so let's make it 20. And font weight is font weight dot bold. So they just take that one. Go up here. And also have a here hub. Just close it. Okay. Here's style.
Font size is less, I think, in the upper side, right?
Yes, I know. Let me just change it, but I just like organize my code. So let's say just like make it 18 and hot reload so we can see. Nerdo. Why it's just making in the center? Yeah, we need a space between and upper side. So let's go our column and here cross axis alignment, not cross. It's main, right?
Yeah, main. Because normally it's vertical for the column.
Main axis alignment dot space between and hit save. Now it just go downside.
Space between also makes space between the texts, you know. Just put a spacer as you did before.
Okay, that could be. Okay, move that one. You know, it might be column, it might be nice between the text. Hello?
The C, not S.
Spacer. Come on. Bruh. Is there any error over here? No, there is no error, so we are nice.
And it could be less big, you know, over there it's less big. Container is less big, I mean.
Less big.
Yeah.
Yeah,
size.
okay. No problem. So yeah, you're right. So let me just close this messy stuff. We are done with it. Go up here. So here instead of double infinity, we have how much? Like its width, so it should be like more than 200. So say
Try
250.
200. Yeah, try more.
That's cool.
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice. I think this is all nice. So now our container is ready. We just take it out. Then we need
Let's be builder right now.
Let's just rub in a container, another container, and that container, it has the height is, we said the height is 200, right? And the width is here. The width will be the screen because I need to take all the width that it could be to be able to like scroll it. So the width will be double dot infinity. So it just take as much as it can take. Then we have the child is list view builder, and it's children. Just take it and put my container. That's all. Let's restart it so like I can just say all the code. And where is it? Where is my text now? Everything is just messed up. Here I just item count. Let's say 3. Let's just try. And let's check.
Scroll.
Look, it
Scroll make scroll
direction.
direction.
Scroll direction is what we said.
Horizontal. Axis dot horizontal.
Axis dot horizontal. That's
And
super.
Make spacing between them also.
Just this padding and edge instant dot all. Let's say 8. Why there is no padding between each of them?
You are making padding in the container, not in each individual.
So this may just make it embedding over there. No, it's works.
Yes.
So to be the different screen size, we need to have like objects. So it will cost more time. So far you just like adding here the index and you are checking index. So like if index 1, like you are saving them in a list. So there's just like index 1, it has this information, like object information, like you have the image, the date, the text. So you can just add them inside your container. Like instead of that image, you can just like for example, like here, like list of the index dot image, for example. Something, not dot image, no. And I think dot image, dot image. If your list is a bunch of objects, but it will take a lot of time. So I think now we are almost done. We just have here this container and this one and down bar. We can just repeat them.
This is just a container. Go another.
So let me just here I need this one. I will just take it one again and put it downside here, and let me remove that one from here. And now I made the text, so I remove it. We just still have this left. So instead of popular, we just have
for
you. I just make it capital for you, Omar. Anyway, anytime.
Not for me, by the way, for the image, because it's same as
for you, Here in the container, we need width is not screen width this time. Let's say no, this screen width also double. Hello, double dot infinity.
You can just make a container.
You can just have padding. No, what can we do? We just give it a
give it a width by yourself. Do not let it take up the space.
And height we say like 200. No, 200 was too much, so it's 180. And let's just also give it a color so we can just see it for now. Color is
make it
colors dot
blue.
That's one. No, blue for you, just for Omar. If you didn't like blue, just go and talk with Omar. Why? Just ask him why. 600. No, that's too much. So let's say 550. No, a little bit also. 500.
500. Did you save it? Did you save it?
Yes. I just make hot restart, but
oh,
that's weird. I'm playing with width, right? Yeah, the width.
Yes.
Height is 100. It's working, but this one is not working. Allah. Now it works.
Ya, çok garip. Ha. Yeah, make it 30. Also make it center.
It's already center. Somehow. Is it? It should be more center. No, it should be like that. Let's make it 80 over here, so it will be fine. Yeah, it's fine. And so we just take the color outside of the over here, and we need decoration box decoration. Inside the box decoration, let's put our color. Just put our color, and let's have border radius border. No, I cannot see. Border radius dot circle, and also like it's like 15. Yeah, that's it. And go downside, and let's have merge. Not here. Wait a minute. Outside of here, we need to give a space inside. So outside is bedding. So inside it's the opposite of bedding. Merge. If you are coming from
Margin.
yeah, if you are coming from front end, website front end, you know this stuff so much. H instance dot all, and let's give it like 10. So inside of it, we have like a icon and two text. So like row, and it has column. Just close this mess and go downside here, make it up. And here, let's have a child, not color. Child, and child is row. You know what? I will just use the upper row. Come to me, brother.
You need a column and row inside because there are texts as you see.
So this is me like take here. I will show you, man. So I will just put it in the beginning. So I have this in the beginning, then I have the text. But in spacer also, wait a minute, come to spacer, come to me. I do need spacer, I think. I do need also this one so far. Let me just check how it will look. So here we just have the circle and we have the column of the text. Let me check. Yeah, it's working well. So instead of here we have a not column. Hello, can you just come here? And this image come downside so I can see. Oh no, I can see both of you. Yeah, this is better. So instead of background image, I don't need this mess. I just need a child icon. In here, icons dot material icon. It looks like a gift. So is there a gift icon?
You can just make a shop icon, I think.
This
Shop
is a gift. There is
or
a
gift
icon.
card. Okay.
Color of the gift colors dot. I want the pink one. So it's more, and there is the border radius. It's color of the border. Why is this not working? Let me go downside. Here, background color is colors dot white. So I think now it looks fine. Yeah, but let me also make radius of it is 15. So I need a bigger one. This is too much big. 40. This is still big.
Make it like 25, let's say.
25 is so much. 35. I'm pressing control. I think this is fine. We just need to make it in the center. So instead of start, just make it here. This is center actually.
Yes, it is.
So I think main axis alignment should be also. I cannot say main axis alignment dot center. Yeah, this is better. And between them, I need a little space, so size box. So a little space is just always size box. And inside size box, we need the width is 20. Let's make it 30. Maybe better. That's fine. And why it should be also center on the top? Why it's not center?
It's a column itself. Maybe that's why. I don't know.
What?
It's a column itself.
Yeah, it's here at the start. So like if I just make it also center over here, what will happen now?
No. You can wrap that column in a center widget also, you know.
Okay, let me just edit the text. Climb free texts. And this is a font size is bigger, so I just make it 18. Make it 23. This is fine. And also it's bold. Font weight dot bold, not value. Bold kardeşim, bold. Good for you. Open here. This one we don't need. It will be 23. So this should be a less. Yeah, it should be less. Let's say 20. And we don't need the bold one. So like just remove the bold one. And here instead of this one, we will write
Open a premium account.
open a premium
Account and get 3 tickets instantly.
3 tickets at instantly. Let me check. I think
Remove the C over there.
thank you. Understood.
You know, also after the end, you can make it downside. After the end.
Let me just over here.
By adding /n, I think.
Yeah. And like after the end here, \n, but I don't need the space, so like let's also make the end and the downside. This looks better. But why it's in the top, I don't know.
Try to wrap column with center widget. Try.
No, it's the row column.
Yeah, column.
Okay, center widget, huh?
Does it work?
No.
Oh, what is the logic?
The merging, I remove the merging one. I just take a screenshot. Nasıl yani?
No. Girl.
Like this isn't the center, so the problem in the column. So let's try no. Let's try to make it in align.
You are making cross-axis alignment start, but what about main axis alignment?
I made it also, right?
No.
I made main axis alignment of star. I do center. Okay, I will just take it. I think I made it. I don't remember.
Yes, you did it.
Yeah. I remember I did something like this. I think this is similar to it. Then let's go downside. Also, we have the text, so we can and this view. So let's just take our so
We are just categories left and the navigation button, I think. The downside button.
So popular, where is popular one? Yeah, so I need the popular and that container. Just take them. Bottom downside. What is the best? Then copy and paste. Categories. And inside of that one, instead of that, we need. We can just take that container and wrap it inside, But instead of that height, we will make. I think it's the same.
It is a bit little. Height is like 100.
I think that's it. Let's try.
You can use the list builder in the website, don't worry, but it's little, so much. Yani maybe height is like 70, 7. I mean 70, yeah, 70.
Wait a minute. Where did I do? Wait a minute. In this view builder, I need that container, and I go here. I need that container. I just put it here instead of that one. Okay. Oh, okay. So why it's not working?
You didn't take the list builder, I think.
Didn't I? Allah'ım ya Rabbi.
Dikkat et, dikkat, huh? That's why I don't use these pluses and minuses. It makes, actually, they make me confused.
What? So under popular, that container should be that one. Let's put it under here. Check. It's working. Don't worry about that one. Then
70.
We will fix it. Don't worry.
We still have downside button. That's why I make it so much little. 70.
No. I will make it different. No, don't worry. I will make it like scrollable. So where is the container that we need to take after for you? For you, that container, we need to take it like that and put it inside instead of our child over here. Should work. Yeah, it works, but we need to make it smaller. So
that's what I meant.
Yeah,
70. Okay, o da iyi.
Tabii ki. Here the height is height is just taking from the parent, so I don't think we need the height. No, we don't need the height. So here this one, let's say 120.
But it won't fit inside. The content inside won't fit.
Just let's keep it like that.
Does box fit? Can deal with it? Fitted box.
It might not fix. Okay, just close it right now. And I think no why.
No, you can just create a container and put these 3 items inside it.
Not exactly 15, 20. And here box is like 5. I'm just making everything smaller. And instead of here like climb 3 tickets, I will just make it like concerts. And this one is just like what they wrote?
17 events.
17 events. Yeah. So let's just give it a little bit of width is 120. And let's make the font sizes less.
And the downside too. Oldu.
But this is so small, yeah.
Yeah, even in the, even in the picture, it's small. It's fine.
Then our last thing last but not least, that's a guy. Let's just like search for it. If there is any real example for something written. I think there is something written. Yep, that's one. Wait. Okay, let me just say. This one is nice. It's also similar to that one. Similar. Yes, similar. So let's just, where is the website? Let's just take it. And plus, where is our index to? So I'm just like searching. Okay, no problem. I don't need this one. I need scaffold app bar. Why do we need app bar? Okay, no, don't forget.
Good downside. Evet. Huh?
I hope that's it.
Yes, it is.
Let's try.
Seriously.
Okay, just let's just remove this one. Let's remove this one. Any errors that we're facing with? Yay, it worked.
Yes. Make it black, or let's say what?
Colors.
Not black. Is it black? Yes, it is black, I think. Background.
That's good, look.
Yes,
It just-
also icon, make them white. It will be okay.
Yes. So here color is colors dot blue.
White better, I think.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, and the other one is not blue. Icon is colors dot gray. I think gray.
Yes, gray is better.
Yeah.
Make all of them gray actually. Why? Yani, all of them. Yeah. One of them is blue. You mean to make explore blue? I see. Okay.
And there is no. There is just explore world.
You can add one more icon, bottom navigation bar item as over there. Just create one more.
Okay, wait a minute. And the other business, why it's not shown? Why this one, the only one is called blue?
Because you make it blue. The others are gray.
Why the text is not showing? Yani? Okay, here title no. Lip. Nope. There is a background color, no background color. I think it should be that one. No.
Allah Allah. Label niye gözükmüyor?
That's weird. I think I should edit like there's no. There should be something to edit. No.
Yeah, the others doesn't have it. Yani boş ver.
Okay. Boş ver o zaman.
In the
one more icon. Okay, just like
after the explore.
So here instead of here home, let's say setting. Settings.
I think fine, right? Settings, yes.
And here, Allah.
It became white. I don't know why.
Hello.
Why?
Maybe because of this.
I don't think so. The background has changed. And
Allah. Wait a minute. This is
so different, man.
This is something new.
If you add one more, it becomes white. Allah.
Allah. I don't think we need the button navigation item. Let's just make it button.
And why it's const?
Because we will not change them. Icons.
We are
Just make it and take this all. It's just like a list of bunch of widgets.
You can make it widget, by the way, I think, instead of icon.
Icon.
Instead of icons, you can make it widget, list of widgets.
No, it's not taking. It's just taking button navigation icon.
Okay.
Okay. No.
I think it's fine as its own right now.
I think so. Then now is the last thing that I want to do. So over here, go up, go up, and here instead
Add some padding.
Not padding. Main axis alignment, space, angle. Yeah.
Güzel.
Everything is fixed.
Ne oldu? Hadi. Sağlık olsun.
We can just add more space, like for example, between upload and popular, we need a space, which is like size box.
Dun dun dun.
Height is 10. No, not 10, 5. Allah Allah.
Where did you put that?
No, I don't mean here. Sorry, it should be here. Yeah, something like this. We like just control that.
It's over.
Still the
Congratulations.
second screen, but there is no more time. We already like running out of time.
We have already overused our time. Not run out of time.
So, guys, as
Yeah,
you can see here,
Yeah, it is done. I think, yeah,
screen is-
you can change the colors as you want. It is okay. That's why we
Yeah.
can say
Uh,
it's done. Congratulations. Eline sağlık kardeşim.
Okay, guys, I will just stop sharing my screen, and if you have any question, please let me know. Oh, there is someone chat. Okay. Me too. Okay. So, do you have any question so far? Or we can just close because it's too late. Or can you just look from YouTube?
There is nothing. I am looking.
Okay. So I think it's fine. So guys, thank you so much for coming, and thank you for attending this workshop. Please also fill today the form. Let me share it. Let me just share it. Wait a minute. Where is the form? Drive. Just let me view the form. No, I need to open it. And send. Okay, short copy. So please, this is the form. Feel free to fill it. And thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for all of you.
Yeah.
Thank you. That is done.